Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to use ChatGPT. Now go to Google Chrome and search ChatGPT. Now find the ChatGPT website link. If you find it, then click on this link. By the way, ChatGPT is a new technology, so the first link always be the link of ChatGPT if you search ChatGPT. Now website view is opened. Then scroll down and click on Try ChatGPT. Now it's loading. If you do not have an account, then you can sign up. If you have an account, then log into ChatGPT. I have an account, so I am logging in. So we have reached an ChatGPT website. Here you can check there are examples and limitations. So let's write something in the typing field what you want to write. I am writing right about YouTube. And press enter. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating a message about YouTube. This is powerful website nowadays for generating automated response. You can also change your question. So I am writing right about YouTube in 50 lines. Oh, 50 lines are too much, so I am stop generating response and changing again and writing right about YouTube in words. Now I am writing another question. If you like the response generating by ChatGPT, then you can also like and submit feedback. I am asking about blogs, which is the need for website to rank in the top. ChatGPT can write blog within the minute. It can write any type of blog in any topic. That's why I use ChatGPT too much. In the side menu, you can also delete the previous chat and make new chat for generating automated response. Now I am writing another message in new chat. Now it's generating response about Amazon. As you can see that how much powerful and fast is ChatGPT. This information is 100% perfect. You can ask anything from ChatGPT. It is the best online website nowadays. Thanks for watching my video. If you find my video good, then please like my video. If you want to watch more videos, then subscribe my channel.